We understand that the entire J3's executive is gone into hiding after their worst nightmare appears to be blossoming into reality when Daniel Williams scorched the track in London with a world-leading national record 12.32. This left the J3's membership scrambling for cover. After them go talk about Williams will not be considered for selection, and even if she wins the Diamond League, it's still up to them to decide if she will go or she will not go, and blah, blah, blah. Well, from the 12.32 drop, all J3's functionaries have gone missing. But seriously though, even if she don't win the Diamond League or runs another race for the season, if these people are going to sit around the table and pick Jamaica's top 3 women in this event using what is now a brand new criteria, that means the race at the trials and the disqualification are null and void. How can they not select Daniel Williams, who is now the top woman in the world in this event? Talk about a rock and a hard place. And you know it served them right, because from day one, all the J3's treasurer, who was the starter on the day, should have done was to show Daniel Williams the yellow card and run over the race. Instead, them jump up on them self-righteous high horse and no embarrassment reach them. Right now, Mr. Watson, Dr. Blake, and the rest of the J3's crew, hear what I'm up Listen what I'm up That's why we can't find them. I'm up to them, they're funny inside.